Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Translation. My Lord, I consider your Lordship to be eternal time, the supreme controller, without beginning and end, the all-pervasive one. In distributing your mercy, you are equal to everyone. The dissensions between living beings are due to social intercourse.
In the Bhagavad-gita, Krishna says exactly the same thing. This is explained by Kunti, devotee. The same thing is spoken by the Lord Himself. Samoham sarvabhutesu name deshasti na priya. Jetu bhajanti man pritya tesu te mai. God cannot be partial. That is not possible. Everyone is God's son. So how God can be partial to one son and better than the other son? That is not possible. That is our mistake. We write, we trust in God, but we make discrimination. If you trust in God, then you must be equally kind and merciful to all living entities. That is God consciousness. So, Krishna says that I have no enemies, neither I have got friends. Nami deshasti na priya. Desha means enemy. We are envious of our enemy and we are friendly to our friends. So, Krishna is absolute. Even he appears to be inimical to some demon, actually he is friend. When a demon is killed, that means his demonic activities are killed. He becomes a saint immediately. Otherwise, how he is promoted immediately to the Brahma Jyoti. All these demons who are killed by Krishna, they immediately merge into the Brahma Jyoti, Nirvishesh. The only difference is, of course, the Brahma Jyoti, Paramatma and Bhagavan, they are one. Bhavanti tat tattva vidas tattam, that is one truth, absolute truth, in different features only. Brahmeti, Paramatmeti, Bhagavaniti sabdati. Originally, Bhagavan, his primary representation is Paramatma, who is situated in everyone's heart. Ishvara sarvabhutanam riddeshu arjuna tishtati. The plenary portion, Kirodokshai Vishnu, he is in everyone's heart. That is Paramatma. And Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. The ultimate issue is Bhagavan. So, Jidathanam Vivadvanti, now he is equal to everyone. It is up to the devotees or persons who are trying to understand the Supreme Absolute Truth according to their capacity of understanding the absolute truth, God is revealed either as impersonal Brahma or localized Paramatma or Bhagavan. It is up to me. The same example, as I have repeated many times, it's like we see sometimes the hills from our room. Here there are many hills in Los Angeles. But they are not distinct. When you are seeing the hills from a distant place, it looks like something cloudy. But if you go still farther towards the hill, you will distinctly find that there is something hill. And if you come to the hill, then you will find so many persons are walking there, so many houses are there. There are streets, motor cars, everything, all varieties. So similarly, when one wants to know the absolute truth, by his teeny brain, I shall make research to find out the absolute truth, then you will have vague idea, impersonal idea. And if you become a meditator, then you will find that God is situated within your heart. Dhyanavastita tadgatena manasa pasyanti jam yogina. The yogis, the real yogis, they, by meditation, they see Vishnu Murti within the heart. And those are devotees, they meet the Supreme Person face to face. It's like we are meeting face to face. Talk face to face. And serve directly. The Supreme Personality of Godhead orders that you supply me this, and he supplies. That is the difference.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama.